One of the coolest aspects of King Legacy is customizing your Haki color. It's something that really makes your character stand out, and who doesn't love a bit of individuality in a sea of online characters? That pop of color communicates style and status to other players. Changing it up not only freshens your look, but reinvigorates your whole King Legacy experience. First things first. A major pain point is that many players don't know where to start. Haki colors aren't just lying around like treasure. They require a bit of effort. Understanding the process gives you an edge. Knowledge is half the battle, right? So let's dive into this. Make your way to the character menu. This is your launching pad for all things customization and wisdom. Confused by the myriad of buttons. Happens all the time. Don't sweat it. Navigating through this menu feels daunting at first, but it's your portal to power. Once you hit the menu, look for the Haki options. It's like finding Waldo on a sea of red stripes. But once you see it, you can't unsee it, and it quickly becomes your favorite button. That little icon holds the keys to your visual transformation. Next, you'll need Haki fragments. Without these little gems, changing your Haki color remains just a dream. Yes, farming fragments can be a drag, but hey, no pain, no gain, right? Make sure you're well equipped for some serious battles to earn these fragments. Fragments in hand, head over to a Haki changer NPC. These elusive characters are the gatekeepers to your personalization. And they think of them like barbers for your soul. Locate one, usually nestled in areas bustling with activity. That makes them easier to find. And not always convenient. Strike a deal with the Haki changer. The transaction is pretty straightforward. Fragments in exchange for colors. It's a bit reminiscent of a quirky barter system, which adds an exciting dimension to the game. Here, your fragments shine quite literally. Decisions. Picking the right color feels both exhilarating and overwhelming. Remember, this choice defines you in the virtual realm, like picking a new eye color every few weeks. Consider your gaming persona carefully. Will you be fiery red or mystical blue? Pro tip, go for a color that complements your character's look or intended vibe. And the right mismatch can result in a visual cacophony that's more jarring than charming. A well-thought combination can boost your in-game presence exponentially. Once you've finalized the color, confirm the change, and this moment is a small yet significant victory as you now bask in your updated and vibrant glory. Nothing beats the thrill of sprucing up your character to reflect your fighting spirit. Walk around and let everyone see. Now, getting fragments repeatedly can be mundane. Consider organizing events or forming community groups focused on sharing strategies. Not only does this build camaraderie, but it also facilitates quicker fragment collection through teamwork. Life's easier with good people around, and there you have it. A new look, a fresh start, and perhaps even a newfound reputation. King Legacy celebrates your individuality, and choosing your Haki color is a step in owning that space. And like I always say, if you're ever in Portland, let's talk game strategy over coffee.